Alright, in this clip I'm going to show you how to make a cappuccino. Now the big difference between a cappuccino and a latte, which most people don't understand because it's a common misconception, thank you to gas stations for rooting the connoisseur part of coffee, is cappuccinos are going to have a lot of foam. And what you got to do is you got to stretch that milk a lot longer. So you're going to be starting with less milk and having more milk foam. While you're stretching, you're going to keep rolling it, which is going to help fuse the milk and the air together so that you're going to have that great milk foam taste. When it ends up, you're going to end up wanting about 2/3 of the cup to be filled with foam and 1/3 to be actually the milk itself on top of the espresso. So it's going to give you a much stronger coffee taste and a much more foamy drink. When you pick up the drink, it should actually honestly feel like there's not much of anything in there because it's going to be so much foam. Lots of people love this drink though because it's so strong in the coffee flavor, and yet you're getting all that milk foam, which is delicious if you want to appreciate it. Alright, so we're going to start off with the espresso. We're going to go 1 ounce of espresso. And then this is the tricky part. You're going to start by waggling it. Normally we would pour then waggle the foam onto the top. We're going to start by waggling it so that we're going to get all that foam out there. Once there it is, ta-da! You should be able to see all the foam on top, and it should look much different than a latte. And that is how you make a cappuccino.